Hello everyone and welcome. Now today we will be making breakfast. My son came and visited from out of town, so we're just going to throw some breakfast together. We got some garlic powder and some black pepper and some seasoning salt, all-purpose season, ginger, sazon, and some cayenne pepper. We have the croakers and some whiting. We're going to make some fish and grits, some salmon cakes, some Gouda grits, and some garlic parmesan, eggs. So what we're going to do, we're just going to make sure this gets seasoned front and back. Then we're going to fry it in an Atkinson batter. You want to put your corn oil on in a cast iron frying pan to get ready for this fish. Everything nice and seasoned. So now we're about to get ready to fry it. You can use whatever season you like, your favorite type of seasonings, and it still come out just fine. Now with that fish, it already been cleaned and soaked. So let's get started frying it. Put your oil on medium heat, and when it's nice and hot, you want to drop that fish. This is a large pan, it'll hold 4. That's the corn oil and Atkinson batter. Make sure it's golden. We're going to add a couple more pieces on this side. We're going to work on our grits. We'll be using these grits. Add your grits and just stir with a slotted spoon. Then we're going to add some milk. Then we're going to add a butter, salt, pepper, and we're going to add a cheese. I like Gouda. And my grits. For any type of cheese, just mix it up. Salt and pepper. Stir until it's creamy and the cheese melt. Now at this time, we're just gonna put the lid on it. The pot is gonna keep those grits nice and hot. Keep it covered and finish the fish. We're gonna cook our croakers in a minute. Now we're going to do the salmon cake. Now I did a video for the salmon cake. So look at the other video. I prepared the salmon cake for my sister's birthday. So this is the salmon cake right here. I have to make the salmon cake for Posh. She loves salmon cake. She's going to be so happy. That's my daughter. She just loves these salmon cakes. Posh will be very happy. That's my daughter-in-law right there. I don't want to hold you guys too long. I'm just trying to make it short. For all ingredients, step by step, is inside of the other video. Let me get this started because my son coming, Posh coming. We're going to celebrate. He came home to visit. I bring you back when I do the croakers. Last fish. So now we're about to start on our eggs, because you know the eggs always last. We're going to take our dozen of eggs, clean the little white thing out. Put a little water. We got some pepper and some garlic powder. We're going to add our cheese. I'm going to use Parmesan cheese. We're going to have garlic Parmesan eggs. I use a little olive oil for the pan for my eggs to give it a nice taste. So just put a little olive oil in the pan. Let it get nice and hot. Add your eggs. Now I use a spatula for the eggs. And I scramble the eggs. I bring it back when they're done. The eggs are done. You want to turn it off at this time. You cook your eggs to the consistency that you like. But they done the way I like them. Now breakfast is ready. The grits are hot. As you can see, nice and smooth. Creamy. I'm going to show you the fish. I thank you guys so much for all of your support. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to keep this lid on it to keep it hot. Salmon cake right there.